from Russell Falls. We've only went that far. That's bullshit. So we go left and go around.
And then,
did you get that?
well,
Yep.
we can follow it round and go to the Lady Barron Falls.
Day 2 in Tassie with the team. Oh, we're going on a walk, and my voice is progressively getting worse.
You stop talking so much and your voice will get better.
So I don't know who that is. Just ignore him. Here we are at the falls. We still got more of a walk. If you can hear me, I don't know. Dark circles. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. Thank you.
Surviving the day?
I'm surviving.
Excellent.
Thank
Plenty of sleep.
I did not have sleep. As you can tell, I did not get any sleep, but it was freezing. G was cold too.
I was freezing. This one here, slowly pushed me onto the edge. Very annoying.
Started on the edge.
No, I was sleeping on metal by the end of the night.
Well, you know.
It was cold.
The only person that slept really well was Franco. He fell asleep real easy.
Like a baby, apart from meaning to pee.
Yeah, he's the only one that brought sleeping bags. The rest of us didn't bring any. We brought blank. Horrible decision. We will be getting sleeping bags today.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
maybe we'll find someone.
Maybe.
We better, because it was so
The
cold.
adventure continues.
The adventure continues. Get in the shot. Love jumping the barriers and exploring.
For the gram.
For the gram.
I would die. I just can't believe it.
Rich,
I think
this is your first time in the vlog too.
Is it done?
Yes, Rich is also from England. So we are ending our day 2 in Tasmania at this abandoned cafe thing. It used to be a hotel, I don't know. Ethan wanted to stop here, so we're gonna check it out. I don't do well with stuff that's like this. Luckily it's still light out, but if it was dark, this was extra creepy, and I'm not about that life. But anyway, we're gonna check it out. What the heck, man? Look at this. What was this before? An old hotel? Something. Now it's a cafe / abandoned building. Oh, sweet. Keep out. That looks really safe. And not sketchy at all. Well, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for day 2. We're gonna continue day 3. We're gonna do some hiking and whatnot, and in the morning after we find our camping spot. And yeah, so we'll see you guys then.